So, good morning po sa ating lahat, guys. This will be your first module on midterms. So, the title of our module for today is all about computerized reservation system. So, reservation system. So, what comes into your mind when you heard the reservation? Reserve. Okay, so, you're going to reserve a seat in a bus, a seat in a plane, reserve a room in a hotel, and different more. So we're going to study all of that. But first, we're going to discuss all about airline reservation system kasi yun yung pinakamahirap sa lahat. So the learning objectives of this lesson is for you to define or for you to be able to define what is CRS or Computerized Reservation System, discuss the basic function of CRS in the airline and travel industry, and describe the different benefits of travel CRS. So as for introduction, so we know that travel is one of the business areas, one of the largest um, business areas is in travel. Okay, marami nang umaasenso sa ganitong business kasi nga yung mga tao gustong pumunta sa mga iba't ibang lugar. Then it employs a various technological advancement and offers numerous benefits to both travelers and travel agencies. So, various technological advancement, nandito na yung pumapasok yung computerized reservation system. And CRS is one of the most widely used tools in the travel and tourism industry. In fact, it was revolutionized the whole industry. CRS, or Computerized Reservation System, is a system reservation system or a central reservation system is a web-based software used by travel agencies and travel management companies to retrieve and conduct transactions related to air travel, hotel, car rental, or other activities. So, web-based software. If we say web-based software kasi, ito yung mga application or program na nagra-run dun sa mga browsers natin. Example of browsers is Google, Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Explorer, and different more. Marami pa. Pero common na browser na ginagamit natin is Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. And Internet Explorer, hindi rin mawawala yun. Then, it was originally designed to use by airlines, but was later extended to be used by travel agencies and GDS, or Global Distribution System, to book and to sell tickets for multiple airlines. So, it was originally designed to use by travel or to use by airlines. 'Di ba? Kung maaalala nyo, it was already discussed in our first module dun sa table of events. So, ano yung first airline reservation system? So, that is Sabre. Right? I don't really remember kung anong year, but the exact or the name of the first airline reservation system is Sabre. So, GDS. What is a GDS? A GDS, or a Global Distribution System, is a computer network operating as a middleman between travel agents and numerous travel service providers. A GDS aggregates contents of airline inventory, schedules, and fares, and it then connect with travel agent via manual terminals and with OTAs. So we're going to discuss what is OTAs on the later discussion. And using connectivity APIs or the application programming interface, the main three GDS to know about are Amadeus, Sabre, and Travelport. You can search Amadeus, Sabre, and Travelport on your Google and you can read it, advanced read it, if you're interested. But if you're not, okay. So, okay lang. Kahit hindi nyo basahin kung ano yung Amadeus, Sabre, or Travelport. Then, let's go naman kung paano nagwo-work sa airline reservation. Pero una, didiscussing muna natin kung ano yung way nung una sa pagre-reserve ng ticket or pagbibili ng ticket, pamimili ng ticket pala nung hindi pa uso yung technology. So back then, they are going to the local ticketing office or travel agency here in Lawag City just to buy a ticket for airline. So, local ticketing office natin is located at Gabu, Lawag City. So, and travel agencies. So, we have a lot of travel agencies like Travel Lucanja, Travel Ilocos, and different more. Basta yung mga nakikita natin dun sa sentro ng Lawag na travel agencies. So, pwede kayong mag-ask doon, mag-inquire kung paano pumili ng ticket. Okay. Sa mga gusto mag-travel, pero payong kapatid lang po, huwag muna tayo mag-travel, may COVID pa. Mag-travel na tayo pag wala na yung COVID. So, now, yun yung ginagamit nila noon. Pero ngayon, we can now buy ticket via e-commerce website, OTAs or over-the-air programming, the meta search engine, and also on online travel agency. So, e-commerce website. So, pwede na tayong bumili ng tickets sa mga e-commerce website natin. Over-the-air programming like Expedia or Orbitz, pwede natin gamitin yan sa pag-book ng flight. Google Flights, Wigo, Skyscanner, Kayak, Trivago, TripAdvisor. So those are our meta engines, and also now we can PM or DM our travel agencies using your Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, Twitter, and a lot more. So, pwede na natin gamitin via online. So, hindi na natin kailangang pumunta ng local travel or local ticketing office natin or pumunta sa mismong travel agency just to book a ticket or book a flight. So, that is one of the advancements in technologies in airline traveling. So, almost 67% of the leisure travelers in the US book flights online. So, half of the population of travelers in the United States book their flights via online booking. There are 6 different steps in booking online. So, first is flight search. Second, funnel selection. Third, booking. Fourth, payment. Fifth is ticketing. And last is the departure. So, what is a flight search? So, flight search, so as I discussed earlier that we can now book via online. So, we can book a flight via online. Just search in Google, Philippine Airlines, Cebu Pacific, and yung mga kilalang airline companies natin. So, here, this is the text box, or these are the fields that we need to provide in Philippine Airlines. So, pag sinearch natin yung Philippine Airlines dun sa Google, ito yung mag-appear. So, here, we have choices, returning or one-way, origin, saan tayo nanggaling, destination, saan tayo pupunta, departure date, kailan tayo kailan tayo mag-flight, return date, kailan tayo babalik sa Pilipinas, then passenger type, so 1 passenger, 2 passenger, ilan kayong magbubook ng flight, so ano yung type ng or klase ng cabin na gusto nyo, economy, first class, then use promo code. Kung may nakita kang promo, discount, just click that, then search flight. So once you click the search flight button, this airline website will now look for the available flights in the airline reservation system. So, kukunin niya lahat ng data na available na flights sa pinili mong lugar, and then i-display niya sa'yo para makita mo yung mga available flights. Okay, so here is the example of output that you can see once you click the search flights. So, also, we can, di ba yung unang slide, so we can directly search a flight in their airline website. Also, we can use Expedia or our OTAs, over-the-air programming, to search online. So, mostly yung mga gumagamit ng mga Expedia or Bits, Travelocity, is yung mga gustong mag-book ng flights na pwedeng na maraming destination. For example, gusto muna niya pumunta dito, tsaka dito, connect, or for short, connecting flights. So, pag connecting flights kasi, medyo complicated yung algorithm niya or process niya. So, ginagamit nila si Expedia or Bits Travelocity para mas marami silang option ng pagbubook. So, paano naman gumagana si GDS na tinatawag? So, here, we have our airline website, OTAs, and meta search. So, si GDS, kumukuha siya ng information, or all of the information from GDS comes from OAG or Innovata that provides schedules. OAG is the world leading provider of digital flight information, intelligence, and analytics for airports, airline, and travel tech companies. So, eto, ang binibigay niya is schedules. Ano ba yung mga scheduled flights? Si ATP Company or Airline Traffic Publishing Company naman is siya yung nagbibigay ng mga fare rates or fare price. Ano ba yung magkano ba yung mga yung charge or manungat sa mamanutiplete iti bawat flights. So ni ATP Company iti mangmang tedijay ni airline reservation met is iso na ti mangi forward kay ni GDS digit available flights nga i-display ni airline website or ni OTA. So another option for us is the meta search engine or the Google Flights or Skyscanner, for example. So meta search, Google Flights. So if you wanna try Google Flights, just type in your Google or on your Chrome Google Flights, then it will redirect you to this kind of interface or in this kind of display. Ito naman, so pareho rin si Google Flights pero this is not a service by Google, so this is a private meta search. So same din sila ng result na pinapakita, kaso lang different, parang different domain or different website lang. So, si website or si meta search is kumukuha din siya ng information in OTA and airline website. So, parang nagiging middleman lang siya or third-party application si meta search. So, you can book in 3 ways via airline website, meta search, or OTA. So, this 3 website na to is kumukuha sila ng information kay GDS or Global Distribution System. Si GDS naman, kumukuha siya ng information in OAG, pasensya na kung wrong spelling, OAG Innovata for schedules, ATP Company for fares, and airline reservation for the availability of the flight. So next step is channel selection or choosing a booking channel, a website, or an OTA. So ano yung pipiliin mo? Website or yung official airline website or an OTA. So dito, di-discuss natin kung ano yung mga disadvantage and advantage ng dalawang option natin na to.